Today, you will learn the alphabet, pronounced with an Australian accent. A. Apricot. B. B. C. Seal. D. Delivery. E. Electric. F. Effort. G. Jeep. H. Achoo. I. Ice cream. J. Jail. K. Cave. L. Elephant. M. Embassy. N. No entry. O. Grow. P. Peace. Q. Cupid. R. Art. S. Essay. T. Tea. U. Ute. V. Vegan. W. Double. Use. X. Excellent. Y. Wife. Z or Z. Zebra. You can find other lessons on our Australian Accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.